You're at the Hewish Outdoors booth, and Hewish owns a collection of the best brands in the industry, from Atomic Aquatics, LiquaVision, Zeagle, StallSack, Sharkskin, Bear, and we deliver them to the retail channel so consumers can have the best products on the planet. Bear came out with this new line of the, it's called the Evoke series. It's offered in a 3, 5, and 7 millimeter suit. And you know, the two things about this suit that are very important is, one, the design sort of reflects the activewear style, so it's sort of a change in design. And the second one is this salient infrared technology that we use in the lining of the fabric. And here we use a high pile salient in the core and a low pile on the extremities. And really what salient infrared technology is about warmth. This is another one of our brands, LiquaVision. And LiquaVision is releasing this new Omnix computer at the Dive Show. So the great thing about this Omnix computer is it's a completely new platform design from LiquaVision. So there's a real separation between previous generation and this new generation. It's all based on tap technology. Oftentimes with these displays you can't see what's being shown on the screen, but with this new transflective display, with the sunlight coming in, it actually enhances the display. The second really innovative feature about this product is this is the only dive computer to have a reserve backup battery. So, you know, in the event that you run out of your main battery, there's a reserve backup battery which lasts about 2 hours. We're really excited about this new X1 blade fin from Atomic Aquatics. And this fin is a very interesting fin. It's got a solid internal frame and a bit of a shorter blade to maximize power and thrust. It's also an excellent diving fin for multiple kicking styles. So this is a great general use fin as well. So we're really proud of this brand new fin and fin design from Atomic Aquatics. This is a new line that we're introducing here at the show from StallSack. We're calling it the Steel line, and it kind of builds on StallSack's DNA of building the best quality and most durable bags ever. So here we have 3 roller sizes, a 34, a 27, and a carry-on. And we have a mesh bag and a duffel and a backpack. And the unique thing about these bags is that every one of these bags includes a wet and dry compartment. So if you have any wet gear, you can separate it by putting it in the wet compartment and keeping your dry gear in your dry compartment. Each one of these roller bags comes with this aluminum handle, which obviously makes the bag easy to roll around. It's a very lightweight and sturdy system. And again, some cool features like integrated strap for an additional bag if you want to hang it off there. Each one of the roller bags has these features. DEMA is it's very special for us because it gives us an opportunity to connect with our retailers, and it also, of course, gives us an opportunity to show new products that we've worked very hard to develop over the year and that we think are going to be successful in the retail channel.